Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's not ignore the elephant in the room. I know guys, I know. I have green eyeshadow. What are we gonna do about it? Look, I thought I was doing something subtle today and then I ended up with this. How? I don't know. But we're here and I kind of like it, so don't judge me. Anyways, today's the day that we get to test out a brand new primer. So this is the TULA'S Skincare Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. I've actually had this for like a month or two. I got it when it released and I've been meaning to do this video, but I just haven't gotten around to it because there's been so many products that have come out this summer and I'm trying to be on top of it, but it's hard, guys. But anyways, this retails for $34. I got mine on the Tula website because you can actually use Whitney Simmons' discount code and get like 20 or 30% off. They also have Tula at Ulta, so if you want to get your points there, then you can also buy it there. It comes in this nice turquoise blue color tube. It's the same color as all Tula products, their brand. It's like this beautiful blue color. But anyways, it has a pump, which we love. I really appreciate this, and it has this nice clear cap on it so you can always keep it covered. But guys, just to let you know, Tula is cruelty free but not 100% vegan. So if you're looking for vegan products, maybe contact the company and see which products of theirs are vegan, just to let you guys know. But now let me give you some more information about the key ingredients in this product and what's good about it and whatnot. First of all, this primer does contain chia seeds, which are a prebiotic that increases skin's luminosity. It also has licorice, which evens out the appearance of your skin tone. It has turmeric, which decreases redness and inflammation. And it has probiotics that help the skin lock in moisture and maintain balance. And I will go ahead and put up the entire list of ingredients on the screen right now so you guys can pause the video, read them. So with all of these awesome ingredients, this primer is supposed to instantly smooth the look of uneven tone and redness, while also giving you a blurred out effect. So let's go ahead and test this out because I am ready to make this eyeshadow look a bit decent and make it come together and alive, because right now I look crazy, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're all zoomed in and ready to go. So first of all, I do want to examine my skin before we go ahead and try this out and see if it's going to cover any of these things up. I do have redness around this area. I don't know if you guys can see right here. So it's always hard to cover this up. I always just put concealer, like a little extra concealer in that area. But other than that, I don't think my skin is that uneven, but I do hope that it does like give me that blurred out look and make it look amazing. So let's go ahead and pump some of this out. So it's like a weird color. Can you guys see that? It's like creamish. Okay, I was not expecting it for it to look like this, but let's go ahead and put it on our face, or on my face. I'm actually gonna get some more. Okay, wait. Did you guys see that? It changed color. Can you guys see that? What? Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that, but it like changed color. It smells like that cinnamon gum. I don't know if you like, what's it, Red Hot or Hot? I'll put a picture up right now so you guys know what I'm talking about, but it smells like that. It's not sticky. It is lightweight, but it almost feels like a moisturizer. So there's a primer on my face. One thing that I already noticed is that this area does look a little blurred out. Also, I thought it was cool how it changed colors. I don't know why that was, but that was cool. And my face does feel a little bit tacky, sticky, but it just feels like I have a moisturizer on my face. It doesn't feel like it's makeup. I still smell the scent of like cinnamon gum. but it's not overbearing, like it's not bothering me. And I only smell it like in my fingers where I had the product. So now let's apply some foundation. For foundation, we're going to be applying the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick, and I am in the shade Ginger number 6. This has been my recent go-to foundation. It's so hydrating, and when you apply it onto your face, it kind of just melts onto your skin. Right off the bat, I can already tell my skin looks so smooth, especially around this area. Like I said, I have been using this foundation since I pretty much got it. It's been like 3 months and I do love it, but one thing that I do notice is that I do have to use like a pore filling primer for it to look good, because it doesn't give you full coverage. You definitely have to build it up, but it's most of the time it's like light to medium coverage, which I don't mind. I never really do like wearing full coverage foundation on an everyday basis, but today I do feel like the primer just kind of sucked in the foundation and it just looks really good, and it gave me like a decent amount of coverage, so I do like that, and it doesn't feel heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand and apply it to my under eyes. So there's the concealer on. Honestly, like I don't think I've ever seen my skin look so hydrated but also really smooth. Like I am really liking this primer. Wow, I'm impressed. So now let's go ahead and set the under eye area and the rest of my face. And I'm actually just gonna fast forward all of this and apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I don't look that crazy, but now let's talk about this primer. So like I've already said, my skin looks so smooth, and it also has this type of lit from within type of glow, which I love. But what I'm most impressed about is the fact that just my skin looks just so smooth. I'm just like, what? And it doesn't look like it's gonna sink into my smile lines, which usually my foundation sinks in there. But look, it just looks so smooth, and it's not moving any product. I think I really like this primer. But look, it's already late in the day. It's 5:36 p.m. but I'm gonna keep it on for a couple of hours and come back at the end of the night and let you guys know what my overall thoughts are. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, I am back and it is now time for bed. Honestly, it's 9:19 p.m. so it's been a couple of hours. I will say right off the bat, I know I do look oily. I kind of regret using my Bare Minerals foundation stick because this is so hydrating, and no matter what I do, whenever I wear this, I always look oily by the end of the day, or by the end of that makeup day, whatever. So usually I wear this during the day just because I want to stay as hydrated as possible, and for night foundations I rather have something that's like photo focus or matte, anything like that. But so I kind of do regret it. Nonetheless, my makeup still looks super smooth and in place. Like you can definitely see the oils coming out through my makeup, but everything looks literally just as when I applied it. So I feel like if I were to just touch up with some powder, everything would be fine. I'm actually gonna go ahead and pat my face down. Not all of my face. I'm actually gonna do half of my face. I'm gonna pat it down with just a tiny bit of powder and see how that looks in comparison to the other side. And I'm also just taking a little bit of powder. So there is half of my face with powder and half of it without powder, and wow guys, first of all, it still does not look cakey. It didn't move anything around. It just kind of took away the oiliness of my face. But it still looks like I have that glow from within. I still look very luminous and just healthy. But it still doesn't look cakey. And I still look super smooth. Guys, I'm just super impressed. I really like this primer. So will I recommend? Yes, 100%. And I give this a 10 out of 10 because my makeup did not move and it still looks super smooth. I'm just quite impressed, guys. I see why everyone's talking about this primer. It just looks freaking great, guys. If you have oily skin, I would honestly just try to stay away from foundations that have like a glowy finish or that are supposed to give you some type of glow, luminosity, because that would probably make you look oily at the end of the day even more, because this primer already is giving you some sort of luminosity to your skin and adding just extra glow. And if you have oily skin, it's just gonna just make everything look like a disco ball. I honestly think this would be a great primer for foundations that have a matte finish, because this is already hydrating. It's giving you that luminosity. It's blurring out any imperfections. And then on top of it, if you add a foundation that has a matte finish, I feel like everything is just gonna look so nice and smooth, and your oils are not gonna peek through at any time. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you stick around for more and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free and it's a fun time. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you've already tested this primer out, and if you like it or if you don't like it, let me know. I want to know what your opinions are on it, or let me know if you're gonna go out there and buy it because of this video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye guys!